Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I am so excited for today's video. We are going to be unboxing PR packages, but before we dive in, I do want to say a couple quick things. First off, I'm so excited that it is the week of Thanksgiving. Your girl loves to eat. I'm so excited for ham and dressing and macaroni. Macaroni's my favorite. And all the casseroles that I'm going to be eating on Thanksgiving. Let me know down below what your favorite dish is. I just love this time of the year and the holidays and spending time with friends and family, and I'm just really excited. The other thing is, on Twitter last week, I did ask you guys, actually I posted about it on Instagram too. I let you guys know that I had something really important going on and I could really use some extra prayers. And I just want to let you guys know that what I was talking about went really good. I'll probably talk about it more in another video. It does not have anything to do with YouTube. It's more for my day job, but I have some things that I'm working on, and step 1 was last week and step 2 is probably this week. So send any prayers my way. They are always welcome. But I just wanted to say thank you so much. I don't normally post things like that, so it just meant a lot that all of you guys like reached out and DM'd me and just let me know that you were thinking about me and praying for me. So thank y'all. I love y'all. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, let's get started. I also did a self-tan this week. I mean, it's looking pretty good, but if y'all want me to be honest, I just did like here up because it's the winter time. That's all you can see. Okay, let's dive in. First package that we got, finally, is actually from Jeffree Star, where I ordered the Shane Dawson collection. I actually have a giveaway going on right now with so many different items. I'll show you some of them now because they're actually in this order. So if you guys haven't checked that out, why can I not get this box open? Like, I'll leave a link down below if you want to enter. The rules are super easy. I like all this pink tissue. But you know what's crazy? I was going to say, I thought that it was like different tissue that they were doing for this, but alright, so I don't even remember what I ordered. Okay, so it came with this little picture. Not that this is old news, because I know they just posted the finale, but honestly, like, this took almost 3 weeks to get to my house, so that's not a long freaking time. Okay, so the first thing that we have here is, oh, this is nice. I wish I would have got this for myself. This is for y'all. This is the Pig Velour Liquid Lipstick Set, and it comes with 5 different shades. Oh my gosh. Danielle, why did you not get this for yourself? The one that's called Rylan is actually my favorite. But here it is, super pretty. And then we have the Mini Controversy palette. Now, thankfully, I was actually able to get the Mini Controversy and then the Conspiracy palette. One of my friends actually ordered the Conspiracy palettes for me, so I'll be picking those up this week from her. But here is the packaging, super pretty. And, ooh, the colors look really nice. So here's what the color selection looks like. I'm kind of shocked that they don't have like a plastic thing in here. You know, like the film. I feel like normally the palettes come with that. Then we have Shane Dawson, which this looks like a really big package for this lipstick. Lip gloss, I should say. And I can't even get this out of the package, you guys, because I do not have an extra one for me, so I'm not going to open that one. And then the very last thing is the Pig Mirror. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm like really jealous of whoever wins this. This is like a really nice size mirror. Good quality. I love that. Okay, oh my gosh, and it has the Shane Dawson little logo right here. Love. I cannot wait until they do a restock. I might get some more items for myself whenever they restock this. Even some of the merch items were super cute too. So again, I bought these. They weren't sent in PR or anything, but I just wanted to unbox them for you guys. Next package we have is from Colourpop. And I did actually send them an email. I've been seeing a lot of people post that they have like discount codes. And y'all know how much I talk about Colourpop. Absolutely love their stuff. So I asked them if there's any way to offer you guys a discount code. If not, maybe I can even get like a generic one for you guys if you want to order something. Okay, so this collection, we have a Pixie Puff highlighter. Super cute. Oh, and it has like the little Colourpop puff. And then this looks like it's going to be really pretty, actually. There's a little bit that's like spilled out of the sifter. Oh, yeah, you probably can't see it, but it's pretty. It's like a peachy pink color. I'm not going to get it all out right now because I think that would probably get real messy. Okay, then we have the Come Fly With Me Luxe lipstick set. Ooh la la. Oh! Okay, Danielle. So this one's Bloom to Bloom. It is a beautiful nude shade. Then we have Oasis, which is like a really pretty everyday pinky shade. We have Virgo Moon, which is again a very natural shade that you could wear every day. Slow Dance, which is like a darker, oh shoot. That one's definitely broken. Dang it, I was gonna try to save this set and give it to you guys. So here's that one, but it's definitely broken. And then we have Come On Clover. Ooh, I love that one. I'm ready for some fall lips. I haven't done like deep lips in a while, and I don't even feel like I have that many colors that are deep. But I've like been missing it. So I definitely want to get back into that. Then we have these two different eyeshadows. We have Bouquet and then Buttercup. And these, oh no, what are these? Jelly Much eyeshadows. Oh, you know I'm gonna have to swatch these. Okay, so I just like barely dipped my finger in that one. Okay, I should have not just barely dipped. Should have got a little bit more there. Oh, the texture is so weird. Ooh, I got it all up under my nail. That's what it looks like. Can y'all see it? I mean, it's really pretty. That was in the shade Bouquet. And then Buttercup. Let's see what she's looking like. Ugh. Buttercup is like an iridescent type shade. It's like, oh, it looks white when you first put it on. So very pretty. It's very silvery once you get it on. So there's that. And then they also have an eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, those are my absolute favorite. I feel like the price point compared with the quality and everything else. Oh, shoot, just kidding. I didn't even see these. Apparently there's some eyeshadows too. So we just have like some purpley eyeshadows and then one that is like a cream shade. Okay, so the eyeshadow palettes, yes, those are by far my favorite. And I feel like this is probably going to be purpley tones, which is also my favorite. Oh, yes, ma'am. This is me in a palette. I love it. And they're almost like cool purple tones a little bit, but oh, look at that glitter one. Okay. Very pretty. This is going to be a really good everyday palette. I mean, I don't think I would obviously wear like the glitter to work, but all the other colors I could definitely see myself like using on a daily basis. I was actually hanging out with one of my friends the other day and she said, what eyeshadows do you use? Like, what are your favorite? And I said, Colourpop. They're so inexpensive and so good. So why do I keep saying so? Thank you so much. Thank you, Colourpop, for that package. Next, we have a package from Bumble and Bumble. And this is their, ooh, full of cheer. Okay, so it says, for big hair, this holiday season, full volume styles are a very must. And it has a Go Big treatment and then the dry spun texture spray, which is really good. And then they also put one of the hairdresser's invisible oil on here. So thank you very much to Bumble and Bumble for that package. I keep not wanting to say so. The next package I actually opened up because I didn't know who it was from when it came in. And it says, hello, we're Complex Culture, a new brand on a mission to save busy women like you time by simplifying your beauty routine. This multitasking, vegan, and cruelty-free brush collection is just the beginning. Let us know what you think. And I did look them up on Instagram to follow them because honestly, this is so freaking cute. It is a makeup brush case and the bottom, oh, it's already open. The bottom you can put your makeup in. And then the top part is actually their brushes and they look really, really nice. I'm so crazy. And you know, I sent them a message because y'all, I'm crazy. Okay, first off, I didn't know that this Velcroed. And when I opened it up, I just went like this. And I didn't even realize there's even more brushes under here. They probably think that I am crazy. These brushes look really nice. This is the first one, and this reminds me of Scott Barnes, I think is his name. It's like, I know he's been on Tati's channel. I think it's J-Lo's makeup artist. But there is a brush in his collection that's for contouring that looks just like this. And I was so obsessed with how it looked. I ended up wanting to get his full brush kit, and I didn't. And I'm so glad because this brush is so soft. Like, I cannot wait to use this. And I love this set, especially for traveling too. Okay, then we have it says, oh, press and set bronzer brush. I just cannot get over the feel of these. They feel so good. So there's that. And then we have a concealer brush. These are just all very like different looking brushes. You have like a kabuki style brush, but it's like a little triangle angle there. And then on the back side are the brushes. So you have like a big blending, another little blending, a packer. And then what is this one? Crease definer. Oh, that'd be really nice, like to go in and get a really deep crease. Very nice. Thank you, Complexion Culture, for this package. I cannot wait to use these brushes. Next, we have a package from Lorac. Ooh, this is their Diamonds and Pearls collection. And I think this is available on their website, maybe Ulta, and I think Kohl's sells it too. First thing we have is the Alter Ego Diamonds and Pearl lip set. So we have pink lipstick, pink lip liner, and pink lip gloss. Then we have one that's like a nude set. So again, you get like the 3 different things and they all match. I love this color. Oh la la. Then we have the Diamonds and Pearl lip gloss set, which has so many good nudes. And you guys, this set I'm pretty sure is very inexpensive and it's so good. So it's $25, $102 value. These glosses, my boss loves them so much. They're like her absolute favorite. I always try to get her sets for Christmas when they come out with them. The Alter Ego Pearl and Lip sets are $18. And then we have a little mini eyeshadow palette, which is $15. Ooh, very pretty. So here are the shades right there. And thank you so much to Lorac for that package. Okay, very last package came from Profusion. They always have such good stuff too. Okay, so it says season's greetings and giftings. We made it to another holiday season and we have you covered. So, oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. They're like little stocking stuffing things. Oh my gosh, so obsessed. And then this one's like a twinkle eye with like mascara and stuff. Ooh. Then we have 2 different eyeshadow palettes, which both look really pretty. So here are those right there. And then lastly, okay, so this is a liquid glitter, and then it comes with a little sponge to put it on with. So thank you so much to Profusion Cosmetics. And you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And let me know down below what all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday makeup deals are, because I'm going to be making a video for you guys this week. Okay, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!